How to use Monday.com to manage your team's workflow. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com to manage your team's workflow smoothly and efficiently. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Start by creating a new workspace and name it after your team, department, or project. This is where you'll keep everything organized. Inside the workspace, create a board for each project or workflow you're managing. For example, you can have boards like marketing plan, client projects, or team tasks. Now start adding tasks called items in Monday. You can assign team members, set due dates, update status, and even attach files directly to each item. Customize your board using columns like priority, timeline, people, and status to match your team's process. Use views like Kanban, Calendar, or Gantt to visualize the workflow the way your team prefers. This helps you track progress at a glance. Automate repetitive tasks like status changes, reminders, or notifications using Monday's built-in automation tools. And don't forget to invite your team, leave updates in the activity log, and use @mentions to keep communication centralized. And that's how you can manage your team's workflow using Monday.com like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.